Okay, my lovely, so where to buy your air cabin filter? Now, all I did was go online and type in air cabin filter and then my local area, and a whole bunch of choices came up. So, in brief, you can go to your closest neighborhood part source store and making sure that you let them know the make, model, and year of your car. And this part source store will be able to supply you with the appropriate cabin air filter. Now, there's so many different kinds. We've got some that offer a Febreze smell, one that has charcoal, that one, some of them, if you have allergies, they'll even have maybe charcoal activated ones that will help reduce pollen and allergens. So you have such a wonderful array of choice with the particular cabin air filter that you do decide on. But I just want to make one thing clear. I'm just going to give you 2 tips. Don't go cheap, because you may get an air filter that will buckle as you're trying to slide it in and it may not fit perfectly. And the second tip is, if you do decide to go a little bit lower in price, ask to see the air filter unpackaged with the service guy there, so that you can just check the sides of the air filter, make sure that it's going to be strong enough, and well made enough that you're not going to have to fight with it to go into the air filter cabin. So, all right, my lovely. So now that you've decided where you're going to get your cabin air filter, we are now going to easy peasy change it. And let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to change our cabin air filter. So you're going to go to your passenger side door. You're going to get in your vehicle. And you are going to open the glove box. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our glove box, and you'll notice inside the glove box there are these little tabs. So you're just going to lefty-loosey, the universal law. So we're going to go put that somewhere safe so we don't lose it. Then we're going to do the other side. Okay, so you're just going to loosen it, pull it out so she drops a little bit. So then on your right hand side, you're going to see a little arm here. So you're just going to loosen. I'm going to support the glove box while I do this. See if I can hold the camera at the same time. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this arm. Okay, and we're going to let her drop. Now you'll see in behind here is the cabin, where the cabin air filter is. So we're just gonna see these little squeezy things. You're just gonna squeeze that together like this. There we go. Okay, so it looks like on this side, this is again sort of like the air filter. This just slides in there and then clips in there. So we got that off. So let's get this old filter out. So let's slide this puppy out. So yeah, she's dirty, she's full of stuff. Now we don't want that. Okay, so here's where you find your arrow. So I've taken this out like this, and it's showing me that the airflow is down. Okay, so you can see right here it says airflow down. Okay, so I took it out that way. Okay, so we've got the old one out. Now we're just going to slide the new one in, easy peasy. So you'll see that there's a slot area. Okay, so you're just going to slide that in. Okay, so now a tip: don't jam it in, because it is an accordion type style air filter. So what you're going to do is you're just going to line it up with your little tabs here. Now we're just going to put this guy back in. So this looks like it's a bit of a hinge type thick deal. And then, so we've hinged that guy in, and then we're just going to clip that back on. So now what we have to do is we have to get our glove box back on. So we're going to lift this guy up. Now you'll see on the side, as you're lifting it up, you'll see on the side that the hole will line up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our little knobbies and there we go. It's hard to see, it's a bit dark. We're going to put that in. There we go. I'm going to put that back in and turn her. Now we're going to go over here. Use my other hand so you can see what I'm doing. Then you're going to go put this guy in until she lines up. I'm going to put her in. Twist to the righty-tighty. Then you're going to lift this guy up and you're going to put the arm on. So you're going to lift, see if I can get this in. Lift this up. There we go. I'm going to clip that back in. Boom! Your cabin air filter is changed.